Hello everyone, I'm Jade. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and save it. Welcome to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments, and I will respond as soon as possible. Now, let's get started. With the rise of renewable energy, batteries are more important than ever. Among the many types, LiFePO4 and lithium-ion batteries are widely used in off-grid and balcony solar systems. While both offer great performance, they have some key differences that may affect your decision. In this video, we will compare the two, so you can make an informed choice. What's a LiFePO4 battery? LiFePO4 batteries are a type of lithium battery made with lithium iron phosphate. Compared to traditional lithium-ion battery, and offer better safety and small stability. The cathode is made of iron phosphate, which makes them less likely to overheat or catch fire. What's a lithium-ion battery? Lithium-ion batteries are made up of all kinds of compositions. Their cathodes are made from lithium metal oxides. These batteries have high energy density and are common in laptops, phones, and power stations. They also have a low self-discharge rate. So, what do they differ? First, chemical composition. LiFePO4 uses iron and phosphate, making it more stable and less toxic. Lithium-ion batteries often contain cobalt or nickel, which boosters energy density but aids risks. Second, safety. LiFePO4 is safer thanks to its strong chemical bonds. It's less likely to overheat, especially with a built-in battery management system. Lithium-ion batteries can pose fire risks if damaged or misused. Third, energy density. Lithium-ion batteries store more energy in a smaller space, making them great for compact electronics. LiFePO4 batteries have lower energy density but are better suited for applications where safety matters more. Fourth, lifespan. LiFePO4 batteries can last up to 10 years or more, while lithium-ion batteries usually last 2 to 3 years. The difference comes down to their chemical makeup and how well they handle charging cycles. Fifth, weight. LiFePO4 batteries are generally heavier due to their lower energy density. However, weight depends on size and capacity, so this varies by use. Sixth, temperature range. LiFePO4 batteries perform well in extreme temperatures, -20 to 60 degrees Celsius, while lithium-ion works best between 0 and 45 degrees Celsius. This makes LiFePO4 ideal for outdoor or off-grid use. Seventh, cost. LiFePO4 batteries may cost more upfront, partly due to fewer manufacturers and the materials used, but their longer life often makes them more cost-effective over time. Eighth, self-discharge rate. LiFePO4 batteries lose only about 1 to 3% charge per month, making them great for long-term storage. Which one is right for you? When choosing a battery, consider these factors. First, type. LiFePO4 is best for off-grid and high-safety applications. Lithium-ion works well for compact devices needing high power. Second, capacity. Match battery size with your actual energy needs. What devices you are powering, how often, and for how long. Third, safety. LiFePO4 is more stable and less risky to use. Fourth, lifespan. If you want long-term value, LiFePO4 is the better investment. If you need a battery for frequent off-grid use, LiFePO4 is the smart choice. It's safer, lasts longer, and works well with solar panels to create a reliable solar generator setup. Choosing between LiFePO4 and Lithium-Ion depends on your needs. LiFePO4 offers better safety, a longer lifespan, and a wider temperature range, making it ideal for solar energy storage and off-grid systems. It's a smart, long-term solution for anyone looking to build a clean and reliable power system. Next, I will answer the common questions. Question 1. Are lithium iron phosphate batteries suitable for solar? Yes, they are safe, long-lasting, and perform well in solar systems. Question 2. Which is better for power stations? LiFePO4 is often better due to its deep cycling ability and longer life. Question 3. Are they the same? No, LiFePO4 is a subtype of lithium-ion with better thermal stability and safety. Question 4. Is LiFePO4 better? In most off-grid and solar scenarios, yes, it's more durable and safer. Thank you for your watching. If you like this kind of content, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We will certainly post more knowledge and content about solar products. See you next time.